Welcome guys, and today I'm going to solve this double integral, and there is something really interesting about this double integral is the absolute value of the function there. But let me write this first. 0 to pi, right? And then it comes the absolute value of cosine x plus y dx dy. As we see, first we're integrating first with respect to x, right? Okay, to do this we need to analyze very deeply, because we need to know which intervals is this function positive and which interval is negative. So basically we need to know that. But let me come here. Okay, first of all we need, for example, cosine x like this. The graph, if we plot this like this, wait, yeah, it's here, and there we have pi over 2, and here we have 3 pi over 2, and in the middle we have it's pi. So we see it's negative here and it's positive here, right? So basically here we can see x, we know that it goes from 0 to pi, and y, we know that it goes from 0 to pi over 2. So x plus y, we can say that it goes from 0. When we sum this and this, what we get 0. Pi plus, it's pi. When we sum this and this, we get 3 pi over 2. Basically it's this, with 3 pi over 2. This absolute value of cosine x plus y, it's equal to cosine x plus y if what? If x plus y, it's what? Is less or equal to pi over 2. As we see here, if we got something less or equal to pi over 2, we can say that, of course, we are positive. And then this one, cosine x plus y, this absolute value, it's minus cosine what? Yeah, cosine x plus y here. If what? If x plus y is greater or not equal, it's greater than pi over 2. So we can say that here it will be negative, as we see here in this graph. Okay, now I can write this. Wait a sec, let me do something here. F5. Good. This integral here, can come here and write this integral 0 to pi over 2. Then I can open these brackets, put this integral, it's cosine here, cosine x plus y dx, right? Plus minus cosine, now it's this one here. Okay, cosine x plus y dx, close this one, and dy, I mean. So now I need to decide about the limits. I know x goes from what? Goes from 0 to y, so I can say it's 0 to y. So that's why I put this 0 to pi, but I've separated the integrals because there is one that it's positive and there is another that cosine x plus y will take negative numbers because of this absolute value. So yeah, let write this. Okay, we can go back. So I need to know this one and this one is basically what I need to know right now. We see that it's kinda like what I can take something here. It's x, right? Let me write with this x. X what is less or equal to pi over 2 minus y. That's why that's the, because this is greater or equal to 0 we got from here, right? I guess we all understood. That's why here I'm going to put this pi over 2 minus y, and of course here will be pi over 2 minus 1 y, I mean. Now I guess, yeah, everybody knows how to evaluate these integrals. I guess I could, yeah, finish the video right now. I guess there is no need for me to solve this kind of integrals. It's basic, right? So let's integrate this, and y it's constant, right? As y is constant, yeah, we got what it's sine x plus y. The limit integration here is pi over 2 minus y from 0. Here we got what minus, right? It's sine, as I speak Portuguese, I am used to writing like that, e instead of I. Yeah, but there's no problem. X plus y, then we have it's pi, right? Pi over 2 minus y, like this, dy. Let's think a bit. Okay, we can do these operations mentally. We can replace x with this one. What we get? We get it's sine of what? Sine of pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 is 1, right? So let me write this. Sine of pi over 2, it's 1. Now if we replace x here by 0, we get it's sine y, right? So I can write like this, it's minus sine y. Here minus, we can do this. Here the same thing, it's sine what? Sine pi plus y, right? And then there is minus, but because of this minus here, that's why we got plus there. Okay, I want to write like this. So when we replace this by this, we get what? It's 1 too. We got 1. As these and these cancel out, we get sine of pi over 2, that is 1. Okay, let's move on. Dy, right? And this, what is this? Okay, basically this, we can do like this. It's sine of pi plus y. I don't know, I guess it's cosine. I think so. So we get sine pi cosine y plus what? I can say, yeah, sine y times what? It's cosine pi. Okay, here we got 0, right? And here we got it's minus 1. So this integral is pi over 2, 0, 1 plus this 1, we got 2. Then if by this, what we get? It's minus sine y. Yeah, but if don't forget of this minus there. If we multiply this minus by this minus, we get plus, and by ending by this, it's 0. Basically it's 0. So we end with this one, this integral. I guess, can I finish the video right now? Yeah, I finish here, guys. I don't know which is the answer. This integral is very difficult for me to answer. So bye, thanks for watching, see ya.